Want to buy a Ukraine dedicated server? In this video, I'll guide you through the complete buying process, step by step. Let's get started. First, open your favorite browser and search for HostingTom on Google. Once you see the official website, click on it. Once you're on the HostingTom homepage, move your mouse over Servers, then select Europe, and finally click on Ukraine Dedicated Server. And just like that, welcome to the Ukraine Dedicated Server page. Here, you'll find all the server details, including NVMe storage, DDoS protection, full root access, and enterprise-grade hardware. Now scroll down a little. Here's one of my favorite things about HostingTom. You can customize almost everything to match exactly what you need. Whether you're hosting websites, game servers, private cloud, or business applications, you get plenty of flexibility. Keep scrolling until you reach the server plans. You'll find multiple configurations with different CPUs, RAM, storage, and prices. Take a moment to compare them and choose the one that fits your requirements and your budget. Remember, you don't always need the biggest server. Buying a super powerful server for a tiny website is like buying a bus just to go grocery shopping. Once you've picked your server, simply click Configure. Now we're on the configuration page. The first thing you'll do is select your preferred billing cycle. You can choose monthly, quarterly, semi-annual, annual, or longer billing periods. Generally, longer billing cycles can save you more money, so pick whichever works best for you. Next, let's configure the basic server information. Start by entering your hostname, then create a strong root password. Make sure it's secure because this password gives you full administrative access to your server. After that, enter your NS1 prefix and NS2 prefix if you plan to use your own name servers. For example, you can use NS1 and NS2. Choose your storage option. The default SSD storage is suitable for most users. Next, select the RAID configuration. The default option provides a reliable storage setup. Now, choose your preferred operating system. You can select from multiple Linux distributions and other available operating systems based on your requirements. If you need additional IP addresses, simply choose the option that fits your project. Otherwise, leave it as none. Finally, if you require IPv6 connectivity, select the native/64 option. If not, you can keep it set to none. Once you've finished configuring your server, click Continue. Now we're on the Review and Checkout page. Take a quick moment to verify everything. Check your selected server configuration, billing cycle, operating system, storage, and any additional options you've chosen. If you have a promo code or coupon code, enter it here and click Validate Code to apply the discount. No coupon? No worries. Once everything looks correct, click Checkout. Finally, fill in your personal information. Let's fill everything out one by one. Start with your first name and last name. Next, enter your email address. Make sure it's an email you actually use because HostingTom will send you a verification email in a few minutes. Now enter your phone number. Easy so far, right? Let's move down to the billing address section. If you have a company, you can enter its name here. Don't have one? No worries. You can simply leave this field blank. Now enter your street address. If you have additional address details, you can add them in street address too, but it's completely optional. Next, type in your city, then choose your state or region. Enter your PIN code and double-check that your country is correct. If you have a GST or tax ID, you can enter it here. If not, just leave it blank and continue. Now we're almost done. In the Additional Information section, enter your emergency contact number. Next comes the most important part, your account security. Create a strong password that's easy for you to remember, but hard for others to guess. Enter it again to confirm. Now choose a security question. After selecting the question, simply type in your answer. After filling in your details, choose your preferred payment method, accept the terms and conditions, complete the security CAPTCHA, and click Complete Order. A payment page will now appear. Simply scan the QR code using your favorite UPI app or choose any available payment method and complete the payment. After paying, wait for a couple of minutes while HostingTom verifies your transaction. While you're waiting, open your Gmail inbox. You'll receive a few emails from HostingTom. Look for the email verification message and click the verification link. This step is important because it verifies your account and activates your access. Once your email is verified, go back to the payment page, scroll down, and click Back to Client Area. If your hosting doesn't appear immediately, don't panic. That's completely normal. Just refresh the page, click on Home, and that's it. Your newly purchased Ukraine dedicated server is now ready to use. Just click on it and you'll find everything you need: your server details, IP address, login credentials, operating system, and management options, all in one place. From here, you can start deploying your applications, hosting websites, or configuring your server exactly the way you want. Pretty easy, right? Now let's wrap things up.
I hope this tutorial helped you. If it did, please like this video, subscribe for more hosting tutorials, and turn on the notification bell. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.